would be enough for us.
Quite nice and stiff, eh?
Yeah.
I think it's the colours that make it look good. Okay, we stop track. It's really nice. Come on, mate, you hold them up. We're trying to get to a fire. This is sweet. Daryl should have gone along. Jesus, you're loud, mate.
Yes, they are.
Jealous?
Yes. I want to make that much noise. Imagine the kids in one of them trucks.